If you want the smoothest, glossiest milk chocolate ganache, this is the simple method works every single time. Start by gently melting your milk chocolate over a double boiler. Make sure it's not completely melted, keep it about 90% melted. Now pour warm cream over the semi-melted chocolate. Let it sit for a few seconds so the chocolate softens and melts naturally. Instead of whisking, always use an immersion blender. This creates a perfect emulsion and gives you that super silky and glossy ganache. Cover the surface with cling film, packing the ganache so no skin forms. Leave it at room temperature overnight. And the next day, look at this texture, smooth, creamy and rich. It holds beautifully but it melts instantly when you taste it. This is the ganache that makes every dessert taste better.